pretty much a flat surface now here on the future site for the lobster. Take a look over this way. Yeah, really nothing much to see here. Yeah, can't wait to see him start placing the ride soon.